Jai Hind, good afternoon, Namaste Singapore. How are you all? Enjoying the Airshow? Fantastic. Just let the excitement soar as we prepare you to captivate and light up the skies of Singapore. Ladies and gentlemen, Singapore is not just a part of Indian history, but also it is etched in the heart of Sarang's journey as well. Alright, get your cameras ready as our team is all set to paint the skies in Sarang colors. And without further ado, please welcome the brand ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Sarang Helicopter Display Team. The team is maintaining the wine glass formation while raising a toast on the inauguration of Asia's most influential aviation event, Singapore Airshow 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce our remarkable commanding officer, the team leader in Sarang 1, Group Captain Santosh Kumar Mishra, with 500 plus displays to his credit across the globe. Today, his co-pilot is our happy-go-lucky with a constant smile, squadron leader Sachin Govind. Flying right behind the leader is Sarang 4, Sarang 2 is vomiting to his left and Sarang 3 is to his right. And now get ready to witness the change in formation from inverted wine glass to the English letter I in the sky. And now this I stands for our beloved motherland and for these indigenously developed helicopters that always make us proud. Coming in from your right, Sarang's representing the self-reliance of our nation, the India formation. Continuing with the introduction, Mr. Cool and Calm, Wing Commander Sridhar is in command of Sarang 2. So with him, ladies and gentlemen, you are in for a performance that is nothing short of extraordinary. And we have also got a double ace in the house, the best golfer of our team, Wing Commander Janpriya, the co-pilot of number 2. So for him, it's all about that perfect shot, whether it's on the green or in the air. When Mr. Perfectionist is in command, expect nothing less than a flawless performance that will leave you in awe. Let's give it up for Wing Commander Chandan Patnaik, the captain of number 3. And now let's salute the Kirpal Singh of our unit, who adds a touch of brilliance to everything he does. The co-pilot of Sarang 3, Squadron Leader Avinash. The pilot in command of Sarang 4 is Squadron Leader Karan Prabhakar, our true maverick, acing the skies with the same swagger as he brings to the basketball court. Today, his co-pilot is the stickler of our unit, Wing Commander Thakur Vikas Raj Singh. Now keep looking at the aircraft approaching from your left. Airline City people, you are the gems in our hearts, so this time information is for you all. Ladies and gentlemen, you are in for a breathtaking surprise and hello, KB pulling up for a stall turn. As the aircraft fly past, here's your chance to be a part of the action. Give a wave to our pilots and wish them luck. Just keep these cheers and anticipation high because the show is not over yet. Singapore, get ready for more adrenaline-packed moments. Alright, time now to shift your gaze slightly to the right as you will see Sarang 1, 2 and 3 are positioning for the team's signature maneuver, the Dolphins Leap. So hold on to your hats because it is about to get epic. These shoppers are about to defy gravity and blast off into the Singapore skies, symbolizing the motto of the Indian Air Force, touch the sky with glory. All 3 helicopters flying abreast will pull up in the vertical plane and carry out a synchronized stall turn to the left. So hold your breath and look straight ahead as Sarang 1, 2 and 3 run in for the Dolphins Leap. And at they go, like a dolphin in the ocean, Sarangs in Dolphins Leap. And there goes number 4 joining up with the formation. The Advanced Light Helicopter, or Dhruv as it is called, is a significant milestone of the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It was the first indigenous helicopter manufactured by HAL back in 2002. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the platform has been advanced from the conventional ALH Mark I to the cutting-edge glass cockpit ALH Mark III and ALH Mark IV. Alright, it's time to introduce you to the other rock stars of our Sarang team, and they are Krish, Adarsh, Dumre, Rahul, Shipra, Gokul, Pradeep, Akash and Dhanvi. And now get ready for another round of heart-pounding excitement. These birds have seen it all, from intense operations to suave displays. And now they are about to flex their wings in a spectacular crossover. Both the pairs flying abreast will execute a synchronized banking, dramatically tilting towards each other. Let's listen up for the leader's call for crossover break. These highly skilled pilots leave no opportunity to show off the capabilities of the helicopter they fly. Indeed, a fine product of Indian aviation industry and a symbol of Make in India. Hey there, all you thrill seekers. It's time now to get down to some serious awesome action. Helicopters are turning in, getting closer and way more intense. For the vertical synchro maneuver, we call it the double arrow cross. Number 3 and number 4 are on a mission with unwavering trust and unmatched skill as they fly right below their pair leaders. Both the pairs will approach each other and cross in the same vertical plane with a gap of less than 10 meters right in front of you. Coming from your right is Sarang 1 and Sarang 3, and the Sarang 2 and Sarang 4 are coming from your left for double arrow cross. Now, before we dive into the next synchro maneuver, let's take a moment to applaud our incredible maintenance team, who ensures that these 4 birds take to the skies and return safe. Leading this remarkable team is Wing Commander Priyanshu, and sharing the honor's responsibility are Squadron Leader Chandan, Major Chandan, Squadron Leader Nidhi and Squadron Leader Anmol, who work tirelessly to keep these magnificent machines in top-notch shape. The degree of difficulty has now gone up, ladies and gentlemen, as the team prepares for the sky spectacle, the level mesh. Coming in from opposite directions, each helicopter will cross the other, and that too in the same plane. The gap, less than a second. The risk, immense. But for these pilots, it's all in a day's work. Look straight ahead for level mesh. While the team dazzles us with the high-flying stunts, it's time to introduce the guardians of our skies, our safety officer. And for today's show, the safety officer is our fitness enthusiast, squadron leader Akshay, assisted by the videographers. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to witness the agility of the aircraft and the unmatched precision of our pilots even closer to you. This is one of those times where you'll hold your breath and wonder how they pull it off with such finesse. Both the pairs will close in towards each other and the pilots will execute a coordinated pitch across each other's flight path with just a hair's breadth of separation. Please keep your eyes glued as both the pairs close in on each other for our next maneuver, the level cross. It will be a matter of astonishment to you all that while doing these daredevil maneuvers, the aircraft maintains the distance of only one rotor diameter. And such precision is the result of immense practice, training and split-second reactions that team undergoes each and every time. And now coming in from opposite directions, Sarang 3 and Sarang 4 are gearing up to pull off some mind-blowing pair maneuvers. Pattu and KP will cross head-on, give a high-five and perform synchronized tall turns facing away from each other. Look straight ahead for high-speed cross. Team is a true reflection of unity in diversity, signifying both India and Singapore's inclusive spirit. Coming from diverse cultural backgrounds, speaking different languages, we all work together towards our common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. Right in front of Mishi and Shri present a beautiful pulsating heart as symbol of our love to the vibrant spirit and unwavering strength of the Lion City, Singapore. And at they go.
I wanna be where you are forever and ever. I wanna be where you are forever and ever. I wanna be where you are.
This is Sarang's way to reciprocate a heart from us to send a little love your way.
There's nothing like this feeling.
Our team boasts of the finest air warriors of the Indian Air Force, an embodiment of professionalism and ethos of the IAF. The Sarang team has consistently risen to the occasion in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief missions, displaying their unwavering commitment to serve humanity. Since the team's formation, it has mesmerized the audience in Chile, Germany, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Russia, and Dubai. And now get ready for the grand finale of today's display. Please look straight ahead as the team is coming together for a jaw-dropping display of synchronized brilliance. The Sarang split on the soul-lilting tune of Vande Mataram. As the formation splits, the leader will gracefully pull up to present a heartfelt salute to the profound friendship that ties our two nations together. We shall listen out for the leader's call. So ladies and gentlemen, this was Sarang Helicopter Display Team, and we hope that you enjoyed the display as much as we enjoyed performing it for you. But the fun doesn't have to end here. If you want to keep up with the latest from the Sarang team, you can find us on social media. Just follow us on Instagram and Twitter handles as Sarang_IAF. With this, on behalf of Sarang team, this is Sarang commentator Flight Lieutenant Pallavi Sangwan signing off. Until next time, stay cool, stay adventurous and keep reaching for the skies. Thank you and Jai Hind.